Hi, I'm Dustin Nimhart, accounting instructor here at North Georgia Technical College, and welcome to Accounting 2000 Managerial Accounting. For the lectures for this class, we're going to be using a sequence of videos. Now, a lot of the videos will focus on the PowerPoint simply because I'm doing with the videos what I would do in class. In class, if we were in a classroom, I would show the videos and we'd talk about things as we went through. Since we don't have as much time for that interaction, what I'll be doing is creating the videos, which means you can watch at your leisure and go through and see, okay, let me get the information from the chapter, plus let me rewind, let me watch this section again, anything you need to do to make sure you're getting the concept. So you'll have those videos kind of in lieu of the traditional lecture setting. What this means is our Tuesday sessions, those sessions where we log into Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, they're going to focus on discussion, on you asking questions for me to walk through a sample problem, or asking questions about a homework problem. Can I go back and work through? Or doing some kind of exercise to review for the test and study for the test. As a reminder, the textbook is the same textbook you used for Accounting 1100 and Accounting 1105. It is, I have the hardback version, you have the loose leaf, but it's Horngren's Accounting, 12th edition with the butterflies coming out of the laptop. We use chapters 18 through the end of the book. If you remember, it was chapters 1 through 10 in Accounting 1100, it was 11 through 17 in 1105, and now we're using the rest of the chapters 18 through the end of the book. Make sure to go back and look at chapter 14 because time value of money will come up as we get to the end of the class. And if you're not familiar with the new revenue recognition rules that came in with Horngren's 12th edition, look at chapter 5 again. There's some coverage of that in chapter 5. And yes, that was new to me when I taught this book for the first time. I had not learned those new rules because they just came into effect or are coming into effect now. So I had to learn the rules to then turn around and teach them to you. So I have been in the classroom recently. I have learned the new accounting concept. So I get it from y'all's shoes very well. One other kind of disclaimer I'm going to make with managerial accounting is I try to give analogies in places and let you kind of visualize what's going on. And what that means is a lot of times those are food analogies. For instance, when we talk about process costing, I will use the Hostess Twinkie or Hostess Cupcake as an example because we can talk about the process of mixing the batter and baking it and then filling it with the creamy filling and wrapping it and packaging it. So there will be a lot of food analogies. When I teach this class at night, I say, make sure to have dinner before you come to class. When I teach it during the day, I say, grab a snack or bring a lunch for your class break. So bear that in mind. There will be food analogies. There will be mentions of food made in the class. So, you may want to have that snack before you log into Blackboard or before you watch the videos. So, just a note about that. And like I said, I'll pull whatever example works best. But there are a lot of things where the clearest way to illustrate it is with a food example like Hostess Cupcakes, Hostess Twinkies versus the customized Ace of Cakes, Duff's Cakes, all the fancy cakes like that. So, just a few notes there. Again, remember you've got the technological tools available. You've got Ask the Instructor in the homework where you can go in, send me a message and it sends me exactly where you are in the homework. You've got email, you've got Remind, you've got ways to reach me. Plus, don't forget the online office hours. You can, ask questions there. And traditional office hours. If I'm on the campus at a time when you're on campus, stop by the office, pop in, say hi, ask your questions then. And, we can always interact face-to-face as, in addition to the ways we can interact through email, through Blackboard, and our other technological means. So again, just a little introductory message and welcome to Managerial Accounting.